Dear students, today we learn how to change an active voice into passive voice in present perfect tense. Here you see I give an example. They have bought 5 pens. It is in the active form, and you also learn how to change this active voice into passive voice. So if we change it into passive voice, at first we write 5 pens. That is the object in the active voice. Here in the passive voice, it is transformed into subject. So at first we write 5 pens. With it, have been bought. Have been bought. It is the main change in the passive form. You all see the underlined portion, have been bought. You all know that in the active form, the main tense form is have bought. So here, why have is used with 5 pens? As 5 pens is plural number, so with it have is used. Otherwise, if it is in the singular form, has was used. So have or has is used in the passive voice. Here 5 pens is plural number, so with it have verb is used. Have, and with it a been is added in the passive voice. Have been and then bought. Bought is also the third form of the main verb. We already know that in the active voice have bought was already there, already present. In the perfect form, bought, which is the third form of main verb buy, is already used. So there is no change, which is have bought in the active form. Here in the passive form, already bought, the third form is used. So there is, we have to work out little less. So 5 pens have been bought by them, by agent or preposition, and with it them. Them is changed from they. They is a pronoun, so in the passive voice it is changed into them. So the whole passive form is 5 pens have been bought by them. Okay, I think you understand. You very carefully watch the change procedure and then you will understand. Here I give another example. She has stolen my book. It is in the active voice. So if we change into passive voice, at first we write my book. My book, which is the object in the active voice. Here it is changed into subject. So we write first my book. Then has been stolen. You all see the underlined portion or bold portion, has been stolen. So has verb is here used with my book because my book is a singular number. So with it has is used, not have. If it is in the plural number, so have was used. But here my book is singular number, so with it has is used. Then been in the active voice, been is used in present perfect tense. You already know that. With it stolen. Stolen is the third form of the main verb steal. But in active in present perfect form, already stolen, the third form is used in the active voice. So the third form is also used here. Then by, agent or preposition, and with it her. Her here becomes the object which was subject she. Here she is changed into her. It is a pronoun change. So the whole form is my book has been stolen by her. You all see that. Again with it, like the before class, we also give an example in the negative form. She has not stolen my book. So if we want to change into passive voice, at first we write my book, which is object in the active voice. Here it is subject, my book has, and with it not. Not is a negative form is used, and with it been, stolen, the third form, by, agent, and her, which is transformed from she. She was the subject in the active form. Here in the passive form it becomes the object. So the whole form is my book has not been stolen by her. Okay, I think you all understand how to change an active voice into passive voice in present perfect tense. Thank you.